Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. First headlines: 25 student blackout after hours-long load shedding at Islamabad school. As many as 25 students fell unconscious due to prolonged load shedding at a government school in Malpur area of Islamabad. Pakistan's 6th district have corona test positivity ratio above 5%. The highest test positivity ratio of COVID-19 was recorded in Gilgit at 14.29% in the past 24 hours, the Ministry of National Health sources stated on Wednesday. Riyadh heads to US ahead of budget indictment in draft case, since Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah departed for the US on a week-long private visit. Bride runs away on wedding day after depriving man of 2 lakh rupees. A businessman was deprived of rupees 2 lakh after the bride he married hours ago ran away along with his brother and the person who organized the entire marriage process. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.